Ladies and gentlemen, grab yourself a hot piping cup of coffee because today in this video we have Manscaped's brand new Beard Hedger. It's an electric trimmer for your beard. If you guys have not seen my full review on the Lawnmower 4.0, I already have that up on the channel. And as we're getting this out, in the description box right below the video, top link will be the link where you guys can check this out and pick one up yourself. And not to mention, use that direct link below for 20% off your Beard Hedger or any of their other products they make. I'm gonna save this for another video, but I just got my hands on their brand new Preserve Cologne as well. So again, check that link out after the video is done. All right, let's see what we have inside the box. First and foremost, I appreciate a good quality design of a product. I know obviously it has to properly work, but I really like companies that go the extra edge and just have a nice little design to it. Okay, first and foremost, over here on the right-hand side, we have a beard conditioner, and that is leave-in softener. That's 4 ounces. Over here, we have beard balm, which is 2 ounces. And that's for styling your beard. And of course you have your brush here as well. A nice wooden brush, Manscaped logo on the top, very soft bristles. And that is fantastic. The reason being, I'll show you my beard here in a little bit. It's a little too long. That's why I've been growing it out for this video. We got a larger tooth comb up top, smaller tooth comb on the bottom. And back here in the very back, we have what looks to be some scissors. Very nice. And of course, if I didn't mention it, this is their Pro Beard Hedger kit. That's why we're getting all of these goodies here. I think you can just get the Beard Hedger, but again, check out that link below. Very nice stainless steel. I'll probably use those for my hair as well, to be honest with you. I cut my own hair. Right now it's a little shaggy, so is my beard, but of course, we grew it out for the purpose of this video. All right, next up is gonna be some beard oil. That's a 1 full ounce of beard oil, moisturizing serum. And then we have ourselves beard shampoo, 4 ounces. And what I like about their products is they're starting to really expand from their original products of like the Manscaped lawnmower, body trimmer. I use their deodorant, I use their body wash, and they're all vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, paraben-free, and dermatology tested. It's solid products, and I'm really glad that they do that because we use these products all the time. All right, enough about the accessories, but let's get to what we've came here for. We got a subtle Manscaped logo right here. Nice little case to it, zippers all around. Opening it on up, we have a USB to USB-C charger cord. Down here, we're gonna have a wall adapter. I'm glad that they still give you wall adapters. A lot of companies assume you just have a bunch of those lying around. And outside of the case, we have our Beard Hedger here. So let's go ahead and pull this guy out and see what we got. Very nice. So they designed it very similar to the Lawnmower 4.0. Similar button, gloss black up here. A very nice kind of silicone matte black handle here for anti-slip. That's very nice. We have a trimmer guard right on the top. That slips in, stainless steel. That slips in right in the back of it. That's actually really cool. So it's not one of these slide-on things. It actually slips in these 2 slots right here. Hooks right in there. You have your length turn dial right here that you can have access on the bottom or on the top for that as well. You can go 0.5 all the way up to 10. LED light right here. On and off button right here. Let's listen in. Not very loud at all. Give yourself a little trim up in the work bathroom and nobody would really know. You also can pull that off completely to get your under neck, get your beard line really dialed in. And of course, use this on the back of your neck hair. Guys, girls do not want to see neck hair, nasty curly cues on your neck. So make sure you get all around the back of your neck. And we don't want long neck beards, meaning something that goes all the way down your neck. Okay, we're gonna fully charge this before we do give it a go for the first time. As you can see, the LED indicator light also gives you percentages. It will go in thirds and that will determine what the battery is. So obviously if the light is completely dark, then it's a 0%. 1 bar is 33%, 2 bars is 66%, and 3 bars is 100%. So it's charging up right now from 66%. Also, you can rinse the blade underneath water and then let it air dry. And you can also rinse off, of course, the blade guard as well. Okay, folks, we're looking shaggy. Hair is a different story for a different day, but this is definitely too long for my liking. Some people might say, hey, what's wrong wrong with that. It's just too much. I like to keep it nice and clean and cut. I like to get this nice and faded up in here, dropping it down. I like to keep this mustache area a little bit longer than the beard area, but I want to clean up my lip. I want to clean up right underneath here as well. So let's go ahead and begin. I'm going to go ahead and start on 10 mil, and that does not blink if you are wondering. It's just camera to LED light. So I'm going to use the camera as a mirror. Let's start on this side here, and I might have to just show you as an example and then go to an actual mirror for a little bit easier. And 10 mil might be, let's see if that's not short enough, because I'm getting some. Yeah, let's go ahead and knock it down a little bit. We don't want to go too small. Let's kick it down to 8.5 and see what transpires there. Okay, ripping through real nice. See this is just too shaggy. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. Just ripping through. Okay, we're on 8.5 right now. As we can see there, ripping on in there real nice, okay? And what I like to do is I just like to do this, and then I'll clean up that area when I cut my hair, just in a second here. Well, not in a second here, but you guys get the idea, okay? Anyway, ripping through real nice. So, I think I'm gonna take it down a little bit shorter than that, and we'll get this here, and definitely go over this a few times, because the worst is when the sun hits, and you just got these long danglers like, you're like, what is that? What's going on over there? And then I do like the scissors, so I'm gonna use the scissors, trim around the ears, and again, those scissors actually were really nice. And of course, we need to try the products that came with it as well. Very nice. I got a pile of hair here on the ground. Okay, I really like the removable guard. That thing removes really nice, just literally right here and here. Again, you can rinse this off. So now with the bear, this is where I got to be a little careful because I'm using the camera for a mirror. And this is where you want to get all this right here. Now see this? This is no go. You definitely need to clean that up a little bit. I will be cutting my hair, I keep telling you that. But again, that needs to go. So definitely get rid of that. If you have any neck hairs coming out the back of your shirt, guys, definitely do the world a favor and get rid of that. Again, get your beard line right there. You got a little glare on the LCD, but I think I'm doing it pretty good using this as a mirror. And then your bottom lip, top lip, and get that all right there, looking really good. And then here, I might have to be a little careful and go in the actual mirror to get more fine detailed going on here. But I like what I'm seeing. Rip through really nice. Again, sometimes if you're just literally, if you don't want to shave before like a night out, just grab this and literally just start doing this to your neck, shaving all this stuff right here, all this goober gabber. And then there's a reflection coming in my window, so I can't really see this side very well. But you guys saw me do it over here on this side. And then literally, boom. You don't even have to shave. You don't even have to jump in the shower. Just do that. Wipe your shirt off a little bit and run to the wherever you're going. I'll tell you what, look at that. I mean, I'm still looking kind of messy, but it's getting better. It's getting better. So I like what I'm seeing so far. Let me go ahead and trim it up better, trim up the hair. We'll be back with you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's a lazy day for my puppy right here, but we're looking good and we are feeling good now. Fresh cut. Look at that beard. Looking real strong all the way around, nice and clean, up around the ears, right below the nose, upper lip line. Very nice. I actually went down to like 7.5 mil or 7 mil on the downward right here and about 8.5, I think, through here, a little bit longer. And then I took the scissors and trimmed a couple of curly cues up. They do loosen up over, some extended period of time. They were a little tight, and so they get a little bit, you have to get used to them just a little bit. But even now, they're slicing a lot better than they first were when they were a little bit tighter. Obviously, that's due to the little nut system here. And right here loosens up as you use them. Trim will work great. Again, guard on flip of the switch, know your level. Just out of curiosity, after one beard trim, full battery indicator. Obviously it's not 100%, but it's probably not too far under that. And then of course you have your long tooth comb, short tooth comb right here. It's a little bit too short for that now, but you still have your brush, especially if you had it longer like I did, or you like it trim up here and you want to bring it down nice and full like Duck Dynasty. Then, you know what I'm saying? We're looking good, feeling good right there. Bring this in your car. I've seen dudes drive, you know, they're driving to date night and they're like, you know, looking all sharp. Okay, now we got the beard conditioner. I'm looking forward to using the other items, but this is a leave-in one. Let's go ahead and open this guy on up. Very nice, very, very nice. Not exactly sure how much to use of this, but we'll go ahead and just use a little bit here and wipe that in. I don't think you're not supposed to use this. I'm pretty sure you could if you wanted to. Anyway, nice little scent, looking good. Hair's not that crispy in the back. I need to comb that a little bit better, but we're looking really good. Also, something to keep in mind, I trim my beard and then I actually trim my chest with it. It is a steel blade, so do be careful. You don't want to take that too far downstairs if you know what I'm talking about. Switch up to the Lawnmower 4.0 for that with a ceramic blade. So do be careful on sensitive areas with the beard hedger. My chest is pretty durable, so I was able just to literally go beard and then chest. You guys can wash it off or, you know, do whatever, but it's just chest and beard. I'm not having a big issue with that. Also, the blade guard with the quick release like that, I took that off many times to like dabble a little bit more right here, and it's just so easy and convenient to put back on and off. So whoever designed that for Manscaped, congrats to you if you see this. Once again, if you want to save 20% off your order and free shipping, my direct link, top link in the description box below the video. Pick yourself up a beard hedger, Lawnmower 4.0, any other products. I actually just got out of the shower with their body wash as well. So again, that link is right below in the description box. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on your way out, helps the channel and the YouTube algorithm. Also subscribe if you like videos like this, as well as tech reviews, home remodel projects, van life builds, and more. I even got some videos of my puppy down here taking a siesta. By the way, that's an LED slat wall with LED lights right in the middle, accent wall. So definitely subscribe to the channel. Once again, your links are below. Appreciate you. We'll see you in the next video. My name's Chris. Bye-bye for now. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.